Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to change the way we clean our delicate electronics, the compressed air duster, specifically the eco-friendly deep cleaning kit. We found this innovative tool online and have included the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, what exactly is this product? The compressed air duster is a high-performance cleaning device designed to replace traditional canned air. It's particularly focused on providing deep cleaning solutions for sensitive equipment such as drones, camera lenses, and computers. With its 150,000 revolutions per minute high-speed brushless motor, this duster delivers a powerful airflow that can effectively remove dust and debris from even the hardest-to-reach areas without any physical contact. Let's talk about some of the standout features that make this duster a must-have for anyone who owns sensitive electronics. First and foremost, its surgical-grade thrust is engineered to dislodge microscopic debris from places like drone cooling vents, internal electronics, and DSLR sensors. Unlike traditional cleaning tools that can often push dust further into your equipment, this duster offers a focused, ultra-pure airflow that ensures a thorough clean without risking damage. One of the key benefits of this product is its safety. The compressed air duster employs a multi-layer filtration system that delivers 100% dry, filtered air. This is crucial for field maintenance, as it avoids the moisture risks associated with chemical canned air that can potentially damage expensive sensors or camera lenses. Another great feature is its adjustable speed dial. This allows for granular control over the airflow, giving you the flexibility to use low pressure for delicate components like drone gimbal ribbons or microscope slides. Conversely, you can ramp up to maximum power for heavy-duty cleaning tasks such as 3D printer nozzles or PC components. This versatility ensures that you have total control in the palm of your hand. Portability and sustainability are also at the forefront of the compressed air duster's design. This device can replace thousands of disposable air cans, making it an eco-conscious choice for outdoor photographers and drone enthusiasts alike. Its compact size makes it easy to fit in your gear bag, and with Type-C fast charging, you can take it with you for on-the-go maintenance, whether you're in the field or working in the lab. Lastly, let's talk about the build quality. Weighing only 0.66 pounds, the aluminum alloy construction provides a lightweight yet sturdy grip. The design not only ensures that it dissipates heat effectively but also features a window breaker tip. This addition offers an unexpected layer of safety, allowing you to break windows in unforeseen circumstances while driving. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a drone pilot, photographer, or even a tech enthusiast with a penchant for maintaining your equipment, this compressed air duster is an essential tool. It's perfect for anyone who values their gear and wants to ensure it remains in optimal condition without the hassle and risks associated with traditional cleaning methods. In practical use cases, you can employ this duster to quickly clean your camera lenses before a shoot, keep your drone's internal components dust-free after a day of flying, or even maintain your home computer and peripherals. The possibilities are endless when it comes to keeping your valuable equipment in pristine condition. In conclusion, the compressed air duster is a game-changer for anyone serious about maintaining their electronics. With its powerful motor, eco-friendly design, and versatile features, it stands out as a superior alternative to traditional canned air. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to